What's up, everybody? Stephen Horn here, affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. And in today's video, we're talking about a secret formula to making money as an affiliate marketer. Actually, this formula can be used for any digital marketing purposes. The only reason why I say affiliate marketer is because affiliate marketing is the niche in which I dive into more often than any other digital marketing niche. Now, the way that I came across this method is that, like, when I was first getting started in my affiliate marketing journey, I was at one point at this time where I was waking up every single morning completely dreading what I had to do the day of that morning. Like, I was out there promoting my affiliate links. I wasn't tracking whether or not I was getting clicks. I wasn't making any money. And so at this very moment, I was literally just throwing darts in a blank room, right? So there was no digital marketing strategy into what I was doing. And so it got frustrating because I couldn't tell if I was doing the right thing or the wrong thing. Fast forward a few years later, and now I am making money at this time. However, I'm starting to get a lot of people that I don't really want to work with, you know, people who would come into one of the affiliate products that I was promoting, and then they would contact me and say, hey, you said that this affiliate product would get me X, Y, and Z results, but it hasn't gotten me anything, right? And the funny part about this is that they usually have the affiliate product for like maybe less than a month or so, and they were contacting me because they haven't gotten any results. Even when I'm promoting an affiliate product, I tell people it takes time. So the secret formula that I'm going to give to you today really boils down into 4 questions. They help you, number one, find your ideal audience in the specific niche that you want to be into, and at the same time, number 2, help you completely avoid those that you don't want to do business with, or at least help you minimize the chances of those type of people coming to you and doing business with you. Now, the first question that you want to ask is really, it's pretty obvious, but a lot of people still have this question and go right over their heads. Like, a lot of people still try to start making money without asking themselves this question, including me. So if you haven't asked yourself this question, then don't worry, you're still in good hands. Like, you still can turn everything around and start making money. The first question is, who is your ideal customer? Now, the way that I came across this question at the beginning was that I was watching all of these online entrepreneurs trying to learn how to make money and start growing my own thing because I couldn't work because of my disease. And so I was watching, I want to say it was Franklin Hatchett, one of my favorite entrepreneurs at the time, said that they really didn't start making money until they clearly defined who it was that they wanted to work with. And when I'm talking about clearly defining who it is that you want to work with, I mean like building a mental avatar or even writing it down if you have to. So what you want to do is create different avatars based on name, age, location, financial stability or financial situation, and other demographics like that. And the design of this avatar is to be the person that you want to work with at the top of your tier. Not the person you want to work with at the bottom, but the person you want to work with at the top of your tier, meaning these are the people who are going to work really, really close to you. And that's going to be your main person that you're reaching out to. And then each of the different tiers that you reach out to to different people are going to be different stages of their life. For example, I have my ideal people that I want to work with, and instead of just thinking about the very tip top or making a different avatar for each person at each stage of their life, I take my ideal people and I target to them in different stages of their entrepreneur life in order to help them with those stages, to move them closer and closer or further and further up the tier to working alongside of me. Now, that does not mean that I care any less about the people who are just getting started. It just means that I know exactly who I want to work alongside of me in the grand scheme of things. Now, the second question that you want to ask yourself in order to really get your business up and running off the ground is, where is it that your ideal customers hang out? Like, where on social media are your ideal customers? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Are they on YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn? Where are they? Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I really didn't start asking this question to myself until about a few months ago. Like, it was after I read the book Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. Up until then, I was just going after anybody on any social media platform, and so basically I was chasing after people. However, when I found the answer to this question, I became more focused in on the social media website that I really wanted to target. Now, before that, I did have a blog, and that was like SEO. That was me using Google in order to get traffic to my website in order to make sales. I wasn't thinking like that when I started using sales funnels. However, this is a very important question that you need to ask yourself when you're first starting your digital marketing business, because you don't want to try to be on every single social media site, because each social media site or each social media platform works in a different way. And if you're trying to learn all of them at once, you're not going to really learn any of them. So the best thing for you to do is to choose one social media site to start off, or platform to start off with, and then really learn how to drive leads and fill your websites and funnels with that one social media platform before you start going off to another one. And then you can kind of just add more in or as time goes on. That puts us at question number 3. And question number 3 is, what type of bait can you use in order to get your customers from where they are in order to engage with you and your content? So this can be bait. Your bait can be stuff like running ads in order to get in front of your customer, or the type of content that you're going to post on these social media networks in order to engage with your customers. And the way that you're going to do this is by providing your customers with some type of value. Now, there are 3 types of value that you can provide to your customers. You can either entertain, inspire, or educate, or you can do a mixture of all 3. Whichever one it is, that's how you're going to talk to your customers. Now, that leads us to question number 4, and that gets more along the lines of actually selling to people, and that is, what is the specific outcome that you can provide to your customer that no one else can. Now, when I say this, I know that there's a lot of people who think I'm saying that you need to reinvent the wheel, and while I can see why, I mean, it does sound like I'm saying that, that's not actually the case. You can reinvent the wheel if you can find a method of doing something that your ideal audience, your ideal customer want to get accomplished in a new, in a different way. But in most cases, all you have to do is take something that has already been proven to work, and you're just adding your own personal flair to it. Oftentimes, this comes in the method of simply sharing your story as to how you first figured out what your problem was, or what it is that you wanted to do, all the way up to finding the solution to your problem. So it's basically like a psychology thing where you're going from sad town to looking at somebody else and saying, you know, the grass is greener over there, and I want to move from over here in sad town to over here in happy town, right? And if you can share your story of how you did that, then this is one of the methods that you can provide a sort of value that no one else can provide to somebody else, mainly because this is your story. Nobody can copy your story. As you start answering more and more of these questions, it's going to become increasingly easier for you to make money as an affiliate marketer, because these questions are designed to help you pinpoint your ideal customers and how you can uniquely serve them in a way that no one else can. With all of that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Did you have any of these questions already answered for you in your business? If so, which ones did you have? I think it'd be really interesting to have this conversation in the comment section down below. With all of that being said, I'll see you guys next time.